Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to send a photo that disappears after being viewed? Let me show you how to do this on your iPhone using the Messages app. Let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and open the Messages app. Tap on the conversation with the person you want to send the disappearing photo to. Tap on the camera icon next to the text input field. You can either take a new photo or select one from the photo library. After selecting or taking the photo, tap and hold the send button, the green button. This will bring up the send with effect screen. Swipe left to choose invisible ink. This effect will make the photo disappear after it's viewed. Tap the send button to send the photo with the effect. And there you go, you've sent a disappearing photo using the invisible ink feature on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.